Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here to share my latest journal with you. This is another like flip flap journal, that's what I call them, because they go flippity floppity everywhere. And it is again 9 by 6 I believe, and I just used a bunch of envelopes and it has 2 signatures. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I used a lot of Tim Holtz papers in this one. I think I used Tim Holtz in the last one too. And I just put the little closure on just like last time with the little eyelet hole right here, and just tied the jute to it. I did a little flower die cuts and just did some layering on this one. Added this little measuring tape tab, and that is the pocket. And I just added some of the tags that I made, and I made this little guy too. And this is Tim Holtz piece. I just tucked all this in here like so. I don't remember how I had it, but yeah, it all goes in there. And I put the little book corners on parts of it that you can see. And then here we have this book belongs to tag. And slide that in there. Then this flips open. And get that over there. I probably put a little too much of that on here, but I thought it was cute, so I did that. I did a little peekaboo window right here with this little guy. It's just some extra journaling paper. Just tuck that in there, like so. And then we go to this one, and I just left this because I think it's gorgeous and just added that little number right there. And then we have a tuck spot here with one of the cute tags I made. I love that one. I love these toppers on these. They're so cute. And then we flip it open over here. This one, I just put some layering right there, made a pocket, a little index card stamped on with post. Bandit! Hey! He's over there making a racket. And we have these 2 tags as well. Okay, sorry about that. My animals, I swear. I should put them outside before I start the video. Anywho, I have this other little flip right here, and I just made a little vellum pocket right there. Added the Tim Holtz card photo in there. And then these 2 tags I just tucked behind like that. And then inside we have this little Tim Holtz journaling card. And put it over here because I want the tab to stick out on this side. So I just left it out just a little bit so you can see it when you flip this over. You can still see. And then here I added some Tim Holtz people right there. And this little vellum with these 2 little tags. I love this little vintage vellum bag or glassine bag. And I just tucked that right there. And right here, you flip this. I didn't put anything on this just because I think that looks cool the way it is. And on this side, I put a little cluster that I made right there, and these 2 tags in there. And on the top of this one we have this big journaling card. Put that in there, and over here again in the middle we have the little, I just tied the paper in so it can be removed and replaced. And over here we have one of the little circle things that I made. I don't know what you want to call them, but, and I just added some little ephemera in there. Like that. Just layered it in there. And this little piece comes out as well, right here. And then you can lift this up and journal underneath it. I'm not going to do it because with my nails it takes me forever to get it back. And then you have paper here, and this flips up. And you have a text spot back there with this journaling card. I love this one. I can just look at this one. I don't know why, but I like the 3D butterfly and everything on there. It's so cute. And then that is that. And the reason why there's a hole in every one of them right here is because I bought the wrong paper. But it's still the same paper, it's just had the holes in it. So I just left them. It gives it something else to look at, I guess. I don't know. And so then we flip this, like that. And then we open it up over here. And I forgot to put a gusset on this one, so it's a little on the tight side, so I only put one tag in this one because I didn't want to mess it up. So I just put one tag there. It can hold maybe 2 or 3 more tags, but it has to be like cardstock tags, thin ones, not sewn, because goofy me, you know, forgot it. And like the other one, I put some tabs on and did a little bit of stenciling, left the inside mostly for journaling. I did a little butterfly, one of my butterfly paper clips right there. I don't know what in the world, I cannot speak. I don't know why. I think these are Tsunami Rose right here. This is some vintage typewriter book page. Some ledgers, some vintage music, old maps. Another little tuck spot over here with a tag that Trina made. I just tucked that right there. Now my dogs are wanting back in already, but they can hold on to their little horses over there. And yeah, I love the feel of this old paper. Did some vellum here, printed on. And another little paper clip that I made right there. It's just a little empty envelope that this is Artie Mae's envelope. I don't know why there we go. Did that. It's got some little fibers on it. Over here is this little journaling card. Little tab. That is the first signature. Then over here we have another little tuck spot with one of the tags I made. And we have a very old vintage postcard and a library card. Tucked in there, and then you flip this open, and in here you have a big journaling card. Here we have another little tuck spot, and this little cluster Trina made with 2 of Tracy Fox tags, I think, or Artie Mae's. And in this pocket we have a big, huge journaling card. I just like to leave it stuck out a little bit so you can see it. And over here, this pocket was supposed to be on the back side, but I made it too small, so I stuck it on this side and added this little cluster here. And on the inside, we have a big journaling card with lines on it. And this is some of Artie Mae's, and it's just coffee dyed for journaling. And and another one of the tags that I did when I was playing around. I love making these. They're so fun. I love the look of them too. Then we have this signature. It has tracing paper, coffee dyed paper, some stenciling, typewriter paper, and this is just stapled on so it can be taken off and moved somewhere else. And again, you can see all my little holes in my paper. Oh my goodness. I learned my lesson this time. I will not be doing that again, but I kind of like it mixed in with the rest of it. So, yeah. So there's that. This is some old, I don't know what kind of paper this is, but it's old. It's not ledger, but here's another little tuck spot cluster that I made. And this is an old journaling card made from a book. This page has writing on it. I like that. And another little tuck spot. This one Trina made. This little clustered tuck spot right here. I love it. I think it's so cute. And I put this little piece of ephemera in there. And this one is Artie Mae's. I think this one's Eva. And just the rest of the signature. And then back here, this pocket was supposed to be over here and this is supposed to be over there, but yeah, it ended up being backwards. So we have this journaling card. This one I might put a little bit more in. And then this one that I made. My dog is over there having a hissy fit. Oh my goodness. And this is a vintage letter inside here from 1958. And I tucked that in there. And yeah, then you just close this one. Goes this way, and then this. And then on the back, I made a little pocket. The other one didn't have a pocket, but I just put a pocket on the back of this one, which I probably should have put a gusset on this as well. You know, later, next time, I'll remember that. And an old vintage bingo card and another tag that I made. And I just tucked those in there. At least it keeps them secure and right where I want them instead of flopping around. So, yeah. This one was a custom order and she'll be going out in the mail soon, but I wanted to make a video on it so y'all could see before it goes out. I won't close it because I'm going to put some more stuff in there, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Please subscribe if you aren't already, and if you are, thank you so very much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.